Hey guys, are you using Facebook for marketing and you're trying to build your audience on Facebook and you're maybe wondering where to get new people to actually add to your page and how to actually find them? Well, you came to the right place. If you don't know who I am, I'm Gio Gianta. I'm a top producer and top traffic provider in online space, and I help people to build and grow their business online. And in this video, I'm going to go over what a lot of people were asking me is actually how to add people to your Facebook page, where to find them at, and how to get people who engage on your profile. So basically, I'm going to go over that in this video. So first and foremost, I'm going to go over how to find people for your Facebook page. So when you start getting people on your Facebook page, you're going to see that they get some engagement. You're going to look, and if you come across a paid ad, like there's paid ads that people are actually doing, like this is a paid ad right here. And you can see there's all these people right here. There's over 500 people. You could click on here and you could go and you could add these people and you could become friends with these people because they're engaging on a paid ad. And, Andy Elliott is paying for this engagement right here, and he's getting it, and you're seeing it in your feed, and you're getting it for free. And there's people that are commenting right here, so you can add these people right here. You can add them to your page because they have an interest. He's paying to be able to get these visitors and these viewers to his ads. So you want to definitely look for paid ads in your feed that you can add people to your Facebook page. So that's going to be the first place that you add people to your page. The second place is going to be paid groups. So if there's any paid groups that you're in, that basically you were in, you bought something, or somebody else has bought something, you could look in here, or any kind of marketing entrepreneur groups, you could look in here and you could see who's actually in here, and then you go to the members of here, and then you scroll down, and then you can see there's a section that says members with things in common. So that's the section that you want right here. And you could go and you could look the people that you have things in common with. So you scroll down and you can add these people. And if you click on see all, it will show you all the members that you have things in common with. And you want to make sure that they have a headshot profile picture. You want to make sure they're smiling, and you want to see what they're actually doing. So you want to make sure that these people are engaged on Facebook, and you can go through and you can look at their profiles and look and see if there's somebody that you actually want to add. So you go through and you could see him right here. He added me, so I have to look at his page to actually confirm him. But there's people in here that you can actually add that have a headshot smiling picture, and you want to see how many people they have in common. The more people that they have in common, the better. And you could go through and you could see, and you could do this with pretty much any kind of Facebook group. You could do this with the spammy groups as well, and everything like that. But you want to go on your first and foremost, you want to go through the ads. If you see any ads on your wall, you want to look at those people, and then you want to come over here and you want to see the members you have in common, and you could also add those people. You could also go to top people who are influencers in the space. Let's say Ray Higdon, for example. So you could go to him, and then you could see he has people in common with you, right? So you go to his page, and you could see who's engaging uh, on his posts. So you could go down here, or you could go to somebody like Eric Worre, for example. All right, so let's try him. So okay, so here's Eric Worre. I'm gonna pull up his page, and he has 2.4 million followers. Okay, so we go to his page, And you can see right here, he has people who are engaging on his profile. So you could open these people up, and you could see. Well, he has. I guess he has his blocked, but yeah, he has his blocked. So he won't be a good example. But he has people here that are engaging. So he has all these people who are commenting, and you want people on your profile who are commenting and engaging. So you want to always look at the people who are leaving the comments, because those are the people that are highly engaged when it comes to that. Or you could go to somebody like let's say Grant Cardone, for example. I spelled it wrong. Okay, here he goes. Okay, let's see him. Okay, so he has people who are engaging. Okay, so you could go to the here's the comments, and all these people are commenting, right? So you can go and you could check out their profiles, and you could see what they have in common. He has all these people who are engaging, right? So this is exactly what you want on your profile, to be able to connect with new people in marketing. If you're doing any kind of online marketing, network marketing, affiliate marketing, this is what you actually want to do. So this is how you build your page up to be able to have conversations with people. And when they engage with you, you can have a conversation with them, see what they're doing in their business, see if they're where they want to be, see if they're having any issues in their business. And you could be the solution. Like, you want to be the solution to them. If they're out there and they express a need to you, you can be that solution for them. So that's actually a way to get new friends and make connections with people, so you can actually make more sales in your business. Also, a paid strategy that I would suggest you doing is, if you want to do the paid route, come over here to profitbuilderstraffic.com, and you could actually get some paid traffic from me. And I go over with you an exact marketing strategy of how you can actually get better results in your business. So what we actually go over is how to get targeted traffic to the offers that you're promoting, and how to make sure that your sales copy uh, and your capture page are congruent. So that's what I go over with you. And most importantly, I want to make sure that you get highly targeted traffic, and you want to know the traffic source that you're getting traffic from. So those are the things that I go over with you. And all traffic is different. No traffic is the same. And it's very important that you get high quality traffic. And these are the things that I make sure when you get traffic from me. So if you're going the paid traffic route, you need to understand where the traffic is coming from. So the traffic that you're getting from me comes from Facebook, YouTube, Google, Bing PPC, banner ads, Warrior Plus, solo ads, and CPA marketing. So you get a mix of different traffic from those sources. And what I make sure when you get traffic from me is, I make sure that you get traffic from high traffic sources, and I make sure that your funnel is set up the right way with the offers that you're promoting. And I want to give you the highest converting pages that convert for my clients up to 85% opt-in rate. And I want to make sure you get high quality traffic and understand how to track your leads and conversion rate, because it's very important to know how to do tracking on your pages. Because if you're not doing any tracking, if you're not tracking your stats, then you're not going to get the kind of results that you want. And that's with paid traffic. So I suggest using the free traffic method first. Stick to one traffic strategy, like I would start off with Facebook. And then if you want to add paid traffic to that, after you start adding people to your page, you can do that. And then I want to help you to build a list of very highly engaged people who really want what you have to offer. So, pretty much when you get traffic from me, I make sure that that happens. And how you get started in this process: when you want to buy paid traffic from me, after you do your free strategies, you're going to want to, select your traffic package below. I have 90% tier 1 and 100% tier 1. Pick the one that works best for you. And then step 2, we do a campaign review and strategy call. So I go over exactly what I was saying kind of in detail with Facebook, and I touch on YouTube as well when you book the strategy call with me. And I show you how to make sure your emails stay in inbox and never go to spam. I show you how to make sure that you get the highest engagement possible. I show you how to clean your list and things like that. So that way you're not paying for leads that aren't engaging. And I show you how to make sure that you only have highly engaged people on your email list. So that way you get the highest conversions possible when it comes to sending out your email. So it's very important to know these things and know how to keep your list clean, know your domain reputation, know your IP reputation, things like that, because that's going to determine if your emails will land in the inbox or if they'll go to the spam folder, right? And the kind of emails that you send are very important as well. So you can do the strategy call with me. We go over a full strategy of using Facebook, YouTube, and other strategies to be able to build your email list. And once you have people on your email list, and let's say you're using paid traffic on top of that, it's only going to enhance what you're already doing. Paid traffic is a strategy meant to enhance what you're doing right now. And I wouldn't start off doing that. And I would only do paid traffic if you have a budget, right? You only need a budget to be able to be consistent with it. If you're not consistent with the paid traffic strategy, then you're not going to really get results. So when you buy a traffic package from me, you get a strategy call with me. So that's very important to know. So the strategy call alone is worth the traffic package itself, right? And after we go over your campaign, we will launch your run with the paid traffic, right? Here's some of the testimonials that people have gotten from me. 200 clicks, 90% opt-in rate, and 3 sales. And there's plenty of testimonials right here, so take a look at this for yourself. And here's the traffic packages right here. Here's my 100 click package, and as you get more traffic, it gets cheaper. So I'd suggest at least getting 300 to 500 clicks for testing, because if you think about it, you want to make sure you get at least 50% opt-in rate, and that's only half the people. So if you get a 500 click package, if your page converts at 50% opt-in rate, let's hope it does, it will at least get half of those people. So you'll have 250 people on your email list, and I could potentially help you to get higher opt-in rates than 50%, which is what we want. We want the most amount of people possible. And if you have any questions, your questions are going to probably be down here. So you want to take a look down here to make sure none of your questions are down here that can be answered. And if you have any other questions, you can come down here and leave your questions in this box right here, or you could leave the questions under this video. Directly under this video, I will answer the comments. Anybody who comments, I will answer your comments. Here's my guarantee to you. I guarantee you 100% real traffic, no bots, no fake clicks, 100% real people who really want what you have to offer. So if you're ready to actually learn more about traffic and how you could get more leads, sales, and signups into your business, then make sure you click on the link below this video. It's going to take you to exactly how I've been able to build my business online. There's also going to be a link to the traffic store below. You can order a traffic package from me, or you could connect with me on Facebook. There's going to be a link below this video for that as well. I have a free Facebook group that you could get into. So make sure you do that. Make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any upcoming videos that I have. And I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.